This is Laura with Liberty Mortgage Lending Group in Fort Myers, Florida. Thank you for coming to the step-by-step guide to repairing your credit. Thanks for being here. Now let's get started with step 2. Step 2 is to dispute errors on your credit report. In the prior video, step 1, we went through and we highlighted items that we needed to review for repair. The next step in repairing your credit is to dispute any errors on your credit report. If you think that any of the information on the credit report is incorrect or incomplete, you have a right to dispute it. Credit disputes can be made online, by phone, or through the mail. You should receive instructions about how to file a dispute when you order your credit report. Errors on your credit report happen for 4 different reasons. Either a creditor, that's the bank, credit card company, or another lender made a mistake and reported a late payment or default incorrectly. A collection agency incorrectly reported collecting on debt that doesn't really belong to you. Your identity might have been stolen and new credit accounts were opened with your information. Or one of your existing accounts, like a credit card, was compromised and used by someone that was not authorized to use your credit. How to dispute an error. If there are errors on your report, not fraud, there are a number of ways you can dispute them. File online, by phone, or by mail. What's the best method to file a credit dispute? Filing online is the quickest and easiest way to do it. The problem, however, is that you don't have any evidence or paper trail regarding your dispute. This is also the case when you file by phone. Filing by mail has a few distinct advantages. You can include concrete proof along with your dispute, like a credit card statement showing you made the payment on time, and you have a paper record of your dispute. Sending a dispute letter via certified mail ties your claim to a specific date. Credit bureaus must respond within 30 to 45 days or remove the item. When you file your credit dispute, be sure to include the following: copy of your report highlighting the disputed item, proof that supports your claim, a concrete, explicit request that the erroneous information be corrected or removed. Including supporting proof is very important. If you don't include enough, the credit bureau may consider your claim to be frivolous. If that's the case, they may not investigate the disputed item and may not issue any updates to your report. However, if it's determined that your dispute is appropriate, an investigation will happen. In many cases, the bureau will simply contact the creditor in question, determine if anything is incorrect, and then respond to your claim. Alternatively, you can file disputes directly with the creditor, the bank, credit card company, or other lender. They're under the same legal requirement to investigate a dispute that you might file. After your dispute, one of two things is going to happen. You'll either have a successful dispute or an unsuccessful dispute. With a successful dispute, your credit report will be updated, the other credit bureaus will be notified, and you'll be issued an updated version of your credit report. For an unsuccessful dispute, no change will occur to your credit score, and your report will note that you disputed an item. You can add a statement to your credit report that provides context for the dispute and provides clarity when future creditors review your report. If your dispute is unsuccessful, you do have one further option. File a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. If you choose to file a complaint with the CFPB, provide as much information as possible, including all your correspondence with the credit bureaus. After you file your complaint, the CFPB will work with the credit bureaus to attempt to resolve your complaint. Filing credit disputes is certainly a tedious process, but it is absolutely necessary if you want to repair your credit. If you don't dispute incorrect information, it will remain on your credit report and drag your score down. Steps to take if your identity was stolen. If you believe that your identity was stolen, it's critical that you take action immediately. The longer you wait, the more fraudulent activity can take place on your account. So follow these steps. Step 1, contact each of the 3 bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion to have them place a fraud alert on your account. Next, freeze your credit reports so that potential creditors are not able to view your credit reports. This makes it much more difficult for new accounts to be open. Then report the theft to the FTC and the local police. This creates what's called an identity theft report, which can be used to resolve fraudulent transactions on your report if they occur later. If you believe that one of your existing accounts, such as a credit card, has been accessed by unauthorized people, you should immediately contact the creditor. Usually, the creditor will immediately cancel the card, issue a new one, and then correct your credit report with the correct information.